y'all, so I just thought I would take you along with me today on my off day. I'm about to go up in Marshall's, one of my favorite stores. We're gonna see what they have good up in here today. I like to get a lot of different stuff. It just depends on what I see that I want. I like to get their snacks and hair products. So let's see if they have anything good. Put my keys up. All right, let's see. That's cute. Colorful. I need some more shorts. All right. I'm going straight to what I came in here for because I have another errand to run. Oh, I like these. Oh, classy shorts. All right, let's see. Hair products. Because you get them for a deal in here. Let's see what they have good. I'm going to eyeball it today. Eyeball it. I don't need anything, to be honest. But you never know what you're gonna find up in here. All right. Let's see. I like their snacks too. Let's go get some snacks. Oh, that's cute. Okay, let me get you. Okay, they have these snacks in here that I like. That I actually came in here for. Hold on. Let's see if they have them. Let's see. Oh, yes, they have my pistachios. These right here are so good. I'm gonna get both of these. Dark chocolate pistachios. I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute. Let me see what else good they have in here. Okay, y'all, this is why I like coming in here because you never know what you're gonna find on clearance. I've been wanting to get some sheets, and this is a 6-piece queen sheet set with 2 bonus pillowcases for only $20. I'm gonna get these. I've been wanting to get some sheets. You never know what you're gonna find. Y'all hear that noise? I hope you can hear me over the noise. This is why I have to take BabyJoe to the doctor. That noise, it starts every time I crank it. And it lasts for about 5 minutes. And then it cuts off. It's annoying. It doesn't affect how the van runs, but it affects my mental health. So I gotta get that fixed. So we're about to bring BabyJoe to the doctor right now. All right, y'all. Here we are bringing BabyJoe to Instant Care. And you see how you can't hear that noise? The noise stopped. Because it doesn't last long, but the fact that it's doing that is just, you know, you don't want to be doing van life and with that type of noise, and there's a possibility it's something major going on. So I'm just turning her around. My cousin is going to come pick me up. I had to wait to my off day because my husband and I both get off late and we're tired. So he was going to... Should I park here to do this with me? But I said, well, I'll just wait till my off day. That way, you know, we're not rushing. We can take our time. Do I want to park here? I think I'm going to park over here. And I'm going to put it right here. Oh, Lord. And, so we're here. We're at the doctor. So to be continued. I hope this doesn't cause arm and a leg, but we're gonna get it fixed regardless. So Stay tuned, and thank you guys for tuning in. Oh, I gotta take this off my steering wheel because that mechanic, man, he had some greasy hands. I had to clean my car, so I washed it from the last time this was on the steering wheel, so I'm gonna take it off before I bring them the keys and everything. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna get picked up by my cousin, and I'm gonna go home and enjoy the rest of my off day. Probably fix me something to eat and watch me a good movie and take a nap and finish my laundry. So this is kind of a typical off day. I'm running errands and, you know, doing what people do. Housework, paying bills, all that good stuff. So there's a rhyme and reason to it all. Anyway, guys, I'm checking out. Let me bring the keys to them so that they can do what they do. Okay, y'all, I finally made it home after locking myself out of the house. I actually left my keys in BabyJoe. So I had to go get my keys, but I was trying to get here so I can make this homemade Chipotle roasted chicken sandwich with lettuce, tomato, and pickle. And I'm gonna sit here and enjoy the rest of my day. Watch me some Netflix. Not Netflix, because I don't even have Netflix. Watch something on one of those little apps and relax. All right, guys, go make yourself a sandwich. This is all I'm feeling like because it's too hot to be cooking and I don't want to cook, but I'm about to dive into the sandwich. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day, off day, and I'm gonna be lazy because I can, and just lay here for a little bit longer, and then I'll get up. I love off days. Oh my God. And just laying in a bed. My bed is so comfortable. I'm gonna see y'all later in just a bit. So y'all, I'm not ready to get up. It's Saturday morning. I'm gonna finish watching this movie. It's called A Violent Heart. I didn't finish watching last night because I went to sleep, but Mary J is in this movie. Have you guys ever seen this movie? It's pretty good. Hi guys, it's your girl Black Butterfly. So I was going to record this outside sitting in BabyJoe, but it's like 1,000 degrees outside and I just can't deal with it. So I just want to update you guys on what's going on with BabyJoe. When I went and picked her up from the instant care from Pep Boys. So they called me and was like, okay, just to open up the dashboard to see which actuator is making the noise, it's like $1,700 plus, okay? That doesn't include the part and the labor to fix that. So it'll be like $1,700 plus the part and the labor to fix it. And it was like 8+ hours for the mechanic to do it. So it's the same mechanic that did all the other work previously on BabyJoe, and he did a wonderful job. So she said, here's what the mechanic suggested: that you don't get it fixed and deal with the noise and just drive it like that, because it's not going to affect anything with the car. It's not going to change how it drives. It's not going to, which is what I wanted to know too. Like, if I didn't get it fixed, is it going to cause some other problems? And he said it doesn't. He said it's a common issue with Dodge model vehicles where the actuators start doing that, and most people don't get them fixed. They just deal with it. But it actually only makes the noise for like maybe 5 minutes, and then it shuts off. So I'm like, to save my $1,700 for something where, just to not hear the noise for 5 minutes, I'm going to take that $1,700 plus and we're going to put BabyJoe on the road. One of my girlfriends called me and we're going to test BabyJoe out. We're planning a road trip. I have maybe 2 that I'm trying to plan. But that's going to be contingent upon if she can get off a couple of days from work and I can get a couple of days off from work. So I'll find that out tomorrow if I can get a couple of days off and we get our schedules in sync. But we already know where we want to go, what we want to do, and everything. So this will be to be continued, because we have to put BabyJoe on the road and take her on a test run on a long road trip. Okay? So I just wanted to update y'all on that. I am going to put her back in living mode, like just showing you how I set her up if I'm camping in her. And another thing, guys, tell me this: how in the world are some of you camping in these vans in this heat? I did that one time. I actually did camp in BabyJoe. It wasn't even the summertime, and it made me sick. It literally made me sick because it got too hot. And I had ventilation, I had a fan, I had windows cracked and all of that, but it was just like an oven in there. So I don't know how y'all doing it. I really don't. For those of you who are down south, I know a lot of van lifers go up north, but I wish I could move up north right now. I live in the deep, dirty south, honey, and it is like, honey, the sun has moved from the sky down to the ground, because it ain't in the sky no more. It's like sitting right here. It's hot. So anyway, I just wanted to do that little update. Sorry for going off on a tangent, but thank you guys again for listening, for watching, for encouraging the new subscribers, all of the above. And subscribe, like, comment, share. No pressure from me. It's up to you, Anyway, you guys have a wonderful, wonderful... Today, I'm filming this right now. It's Sunday, and I went back to work today, and tomorrow will be Monday. So hopefully I can get this posted soon. That's all I'm going to say, because if I get sleepy, honey, that's it. It's over with. I'll have to do it another time. Anyway, thank you guys. It's just your girl, Black Butterfly, signing off. Y'all have a wonderful evening. Mwah.